Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Leslie with Brilliant Aesthetics. As I was cleaning up my phone, I came across a couple of videos and some photos of my suite that I have never shared. So I wanted to take this opportunity to talk about my suite a little bit. So I've got a 2-unit suite, one in the front, one in the back. The front is just empty right now. And this is the back room that will be housing all of my main services. My uncle came in, did some patchwork and painted the walls for me. And I am unpacking on this day. This is back in April of 2023. My 2 cabinets are from IKEA. I've got my massage bed on the floor, my towel warmer about to get unboxed, and then a box of towels and sheets. And then my wax stuff is already starting to get set up. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch me do some unboxing and jump in and commentate a little bit. So enjoy the video. This little guy here you'll see is Desmond. He will be popping in and out of the camera and just being all engaged in everything that I'm doing. I do have his mother's permission to have him recorded before anyone tries to come for me. But he definitely enjoyed this with me, probably more than I did.
It's a box in it. It's a box in it.
Yes. What?
Oh, this is what's now. Instructions. Yes, you do. Because when you turn it on and you look through those faces, different colors show up. Yeah, and it tells you what the colors mean. It should. Yeah, see? Right there. So if you see blue and white, it's normal and healthy skin. Bright fluorescent, hydrated skin. Purple fluorescent, thin skin without enough moisture. Violet light, hydrated skin. Yellow or sometimes pink, oily areas of the face. Yeah, see? Yeah.
Some of them are bad.
And then, when you look at their face, you don't want their eyes to be open because of their eyes. So you focus on their eyes. And they can't see. Was that what that was in here? And their box.
What?
Oh.
How many boxes do we have?
We have a long boxes.
One, two, three, four, five, six.
Oh, this is my. Oh, God. I can't do it. So this goes in my purse. Actually, wait. Let's take the rest. You ready, Are you sure? Thank you. Don't drop it. This is our high frequency skin therapy wand.
What? No.
Not wine, wand.
Oh, no. Oh. Your phone is on. Oh, it is recording.
But on the plus side, I don't actually need the wand because this will go with my steamer, which is that right there. So we got one more big box to open.
Yeah, no. This is the big box.
Yeah.
The big box today? Okay, no, that's
Be
easy.
careful with the scissors.
That's easy.
Okay. Lots of good. Goodies. So first aid kit. We need this. Sponges. Yeah, you can wash yourself, but they're for your face. Please. There's scissors.
If I forget to wash my face,
Yeah.
what do I have to do?
Yes, you should come anyway. These are 2x2s.
I have to move my stuff.
I just need
Of course I have to come every day. I have to get some stuff in.
what is this?
Don't know. Probably a big old plate with some sponge. What? Did you break it?
No. Oh, these are my bones. Look at that though. That's cool. One.
Yes.
Wow, they're smaller. Might have to keep these.
Okay, now it is.
Ones.
Yeah, I'll put that.
I'm gonna for baby.
Ah.
You can have it from the lady. So how many? Can you help you? These are good. Why do you not need those? Is that your sister? It sounded just like you.
I don't think
So can you point it out that we were on dress alike? Blue and red?
Oh.
Oh, I'm waiting for you. It's okay. Take your time. They'll be here. She said that she like, this is the first time I can't wait to go there. I'm like, you're crazy. What you bringing?
Huh?
What you bringing when you move
Um, don't know. I thought you were just gonna have my room rich.
in? This is
A chair.
not what I ordered. No.
Okay, then give it to me then. I'll take it. Okay?
It's my steamer. This is gonna take forever to put together.
Well, I'll take it. Okay?
No, you can't take it.
Why can't I have the chair? You said you didn't want it.
It's not a chair.
So what is it?
It's a steamer. They help you enjoy your purchase, my receipts, and then their catalog.
I thought you said that was not what you ordered.
No, because there was a chair on the catalog. I want this chair. One day. One day we'll get it. A membership. Okay, bud.
Okay,
Stick this stuff in there.
okay, I'll see you later.
It was at this moment that he was plotting on me and I had no clue.
Thank you. Bye. Is this the bottom? Hey! You and my sister.
They had been coming and turning off the light while I was working all day.
Why did you just get me?
Everyone was leaving for the day. So I decided this would be a good time to steal my sister's TV. So that's me reeling it in from down the hall.
Desmond, I'm gonna get you.
I think he got me one more time after this. I'm pretty sure he did. So while I go ahead and set this steamer up, I did go ahead and put on a video on Amazon Prime. This steamer took way too long. I think I was able to watch the whole video while I put the steamer together. So I did speed this part up super fast. I got the steamer off Spawn Equipment. Everything else that I ordered is off Amazon. I don't have a storefront, so I can't tell you guys to go shop my storefront, but hopefully that is something that'll come for me in 2024 to be able to get that storefront. Just, I don't know, taking it one day at a time. I will do a follow-up visit again, like I said, show you guys what my current studio stitch is, but for now, I'm going to speed this video up and let you guys enjoy me putting this steamer together. Oh yeah, he got me.
Desmond,
for
we're
the
gonna
last
fight.
time on his way out the door. So this steamer came with its own high frequency wand and I think 3 wand attachments, which you'll see here in just a second. I did, if you saw early in the video, order the bigger one off Amazon. I wanted the other attachments that didn't come with this one. So, you know, you can never have too many. Again, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If this is your first time, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Please remember to like and subscribe, comment, stay engaged with this video. And as always, I hope you all stay brilliant. I'll see you in the next video.